Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic training on how you can copy a video and put it down as overlay in CapCut Mobile. So here I've already add a video and I want to copy this video and put it on the overlay. So what you need to do if you want to do the same is just click on the video here on the timeline and swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the duplicate option. Tap on this duplicate button, and to put it down as overlay you can just click on the video, any video, the first one or the second one, then find the overlay options, this one. Okay, now the video is at the bottom, and if you want to make it the same in the same position, you can just long press on the video and drag it like this, and that's it. So that's a basic training for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.